tell us your experience. How does it make you feel?
Wow. Wow.
Would you like to play puzzle again? Okay. Do you have any particular image or design you like us to do for you in puzzle form? Like what?
Which one do you want to play? What shape?
This one is Lagos.
So what do you... Nigeria map.
And what again? Coat of arms.
You want to do coat of arms?
What map? Cool.
Those are the ones that we have here. Hey, what kind of picture do you want? The one that we don't have here.
Any picture we can turn to puzzle for you. The person on it.
A human being.
The person on it.
Wow.
Somebody's picture.
Do you know Obama?
You don't know Obama.
Have you finished?
Obama is the former...
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Obama is a former president of America. Yeah, that's Obama.
We'll come again, don't worry.
We'll come again, okay? God bless you. You're welcome.
Nigeria.
One person.